Welcome. This is Lloyd Lofton. Today we're going to talk about how does a revenue center interact with other centers in a company. You know, a revenue center is the business operation that's responsible for generating a company's sales revenue. So some of those revenue centers you can have within a company include departments. Each department might have their own opportunity to generate revenue for their company. Then you could move to divisions. Each division has the opportunity to generate revenue for the company, and that may be by having the departments within that division generating revenue. And then the specific business units. Business units may have a different business model as well as a product or service than divisions have, and those business units may generate a profit for the company. So what you want to make sure is business units that have direct contact with customers, of course they produce profits, but business units may have other ways of producing profit through any proprietary software or other type of services they provide that doesn't necessarily go out to the general public. So a company's size, the number of products, or the number of services that they offer, the industry that they're in, the standards and factors that are used in choosing or adding revenue centers are all important ingredients when you talk about how does a revenue center interact with other centers.